Hey all and welcome to a very special Mystic Munchies. About a year ago, I live streamed making several different things. Jalapeno poppers, meatloaf, and my broccoli salad. This is going to be just my broccoli salad in its own video, in case anybody is only curious about that and would like to try to make it. It is a recipe from a family-owned grocery store I used to work at, and in my personal opinion, a culinary masterpiece. So first thing you want to do, get 8 strips of bacon, pop them in the oven at 350 till they get crispy. Enjoy that satisfying sizzle. And while that's cooking, get your broccoli ready to roll. 5 cups of small broccoli florets. I always cut extra off the stems because they're always too hard on my teeth, and I don't really care for them anyway. After your broccoli's cut up, your bacon should be cooked, or at least partway through. Then you want to put half a cup of sunflower kernels in there. This is a quarter. It's a little easier to scoop it into the bag. And then, hey, another for another batch, or munch on them. Then, 3/4 of a cup of raisins, or, since I don't like raisins, dried cranberries. I prefer the cranberries myself. The only way I'll eat raisins is if they're chocolate covered or in a cinnamon raisin bread. So basically, 3 scoops. And then I can always nibble on the rest of those. Then you want 1/3 cup of chopped onion, or you could always do it my way and cut a decent size bit off of the side of an onion, because, hey, a little bit extra onion never hurts. Or if you want to do it the easy way, buy the already chopped onion, but I always find that stuff tastes funky. I prefer doing it fresh. Now by that time, your bacon should be cooled off enough and crispy. Put it on a paper towel on a plate. Dab the grease with the other paper towel, but push hard so that it crumbles and then you're not getting your fingers all greasy. Even if you have to fold the paper towel up just to crumble it, because you want it in small enough pieces so that it mixes through the entire thing. So just use your paper towel to crumble it. And then scrape it on in with the other paper towel. Do that till it's all done, because I only did like a couple pieces at once. Most important ingredient, and what makes this salad absolutely amazing: Cooper sharp cheese from the deli. Get them to slice it in a chunk about this wide. Don't need the whole thing. Unfortunately, every time I use a cheese grater, they're cheap pieces of crap and they break. It's impossible to find a decent one because this is a very creamy cheese. So I discovered that if you have one of these pot strainers and you rub it against it a certain way, I forget what side it is. It might be this side. Or just go back and forth. Yeah, it grates it. May take a little while. Don't need the whole thing of this, maybe about half of it. Unless you want to put more. It is a pain to grate, because like I said, it's creamy, so it's a lot harder. And it is definitely hard on cheap cheese graters. And I'm very stingy. I don't want to spend a lot of money on one. So, since I have this, that works. And I don't have to worry about it a piece of machinery getting gummed up with cheese because of how creamy it is. Then I'm just gonna keep rolling with this. I might have to go. Was it the other side? I never remember what side worked better. I don't think it really matters. But yeah, it takes a little while. For the dressing, you want a 1/4 cup of sugar, cup of mayo, pinch of salt, and a tablespoon of white vinegar, and basically stir until the sugar is dissolved. Then pour it in. And voila! Best broccoli salad ever. Try it. You'll thank me. Yeah, I know this wasn't a short. I tried. But no, I couldn't resist. It's too good to make it too short of a video.